Hello traders, do you know how much influencers charge to promote a scam? I don't want to name, they have charged 4.5 lakhs to promote a crap and still they don't think they owe an explanation. This is the second video about cryptocurrency, how cryptocurrency is fatal, how it can erode investors' wealth. In fact, in the last 6 months alone, famous cryptocurrency Bitcoin has lost more than 50% of its value. At peak, Bitcoin was trading at $69,000 per piece, and now it's just somewhere around $21,500. And we all know only one crypto exchange that has suspended its operation, and that, my friend, is just a tip of an iceberg. This is going to turn out to be the biggest scam in financial history. There are many sad stories how our brothers and sisters have lost millions of rupees in crypto trading. To name a few, I know a person called Anand who works as a deputy communications manager in a reputed university, saw his investment portfolio worth 7 lakh dip significantly below 3 lakh. That's more than 50%. And if you think Vault is the first crypto exchange to suspend its operation, you are wrong. I can name a few. 3 Arrow Capital, Celsius Network, Voyager Digital are some of the platforms which have already suspended its operation. Now there is a reason why I am posting this video. Still there are people out there who believe in cryptocurrency and continue to invest in this scam. Now you have to understand why cryptocurrencies fail or why crypto exchange fail and will continue to fail. First thing is, crypto is not a physical asset, it's a virtual asset. Physical assets like gold, silver or some real estate have some inherent value. What about cryptocurrency? They don't have anything such as inherent value. What every value it had or it has is just manipulated, and history says whichever asset that doesn't have an inherent value is just a crap. You will have to understand all these things clearly before investing into cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is not a digital asset, it is a virtual asset. And the second thing is taxation. Government of India recently announced 1% tax deducted at source or TDS plus 30% tax on gains from virtual asset with no deduction or exemption. Now you can clearly understand that Government of India doesn't like cryptocurrencies, and this taxation tells that Government of India will continue to discourage digital asset. And the third is collapse or crash of stablecoin, or you know that Terraform Labs USD stablecoin that created negative sentiment in investors, and we saw heavy withdrawal. In fact, volumes of Indian-based crypto exchanges like WazirX, Zebpay, DCX have gone down by 98%. Now, with that all being said, you know what they will say. I mean the influencers. We have disclaimers or disclosures, right? So that's why I'm always saying don't go into because someone is saying or because someone is trying to influence you, it doesn't mean they have to be correct every time, including me also. I'm saying including me also. I'm not exempted. I'm not I'm also a human being, right? But there are some ethics and there are some ethics which influencers have to follow, which content creators have to follow. They have to behave in an ethical way. They don't have to promote craps or scams like this, which has to be which can put people into trouble. If you see, go and last 2 or 3 days, or if you see last 3 or 4 weeks, last 3 or 4 days of social media, everybody is talking about this scam only, this vault issue. Now there are many people, not only vault, like as I told you before, there are many exchanges which are in India, dealing in India, and still people are going in and deploying, or they are putting money in the system, in the exchanges, or they are investing in Bitcoin. Now what I'm asking is, Don't we have any other assets? We have so many of assets. We have regulated assets. We have gold. We have real estate. We have exchanges. So many scripts. So many stocks listed in Indian stock market. In fact, Indian stock market has the highest number of participants when it comes to F&O. India is the top. NSE is the top. There are so many instruments to invest in those things. Why you are avoiding this? Why people are avoiding this and going into instruments which are giving false return? That is the concern here. The reason is very simple. People are behind high returns, and you have to believe this. Whether it is option trading or whether it is stock trading or whatsoever. If you see in social media, when it comes to F&O trading also, people post many PNLs. They make 1 crore, 2 crore, 1 lakh, 3 lakh. And yesterday one person in our Telegram group just was joking that he has calculated one of the guys who was famous in Twitter, and if we calculate his whole year return, it's more than 250 crores. Do you think this is and all possible? I don't think so. You have to remember, my friends, stock market is very hard place to earn money. Even if you make 2% per month, that is more than enough in the long term. If you calculate the compounding growth, compounding returns, it will be excellent returns. In 4 or 5 years, you are going to take all the money which you have put without taking so much of risk. There are many strategies, there are many ways where you can hedge your position. That's what SEBI is doing. SEBI is not recommending cryptocurrency, or RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das is not recommending cryptocurrency, but they are making sure that retailers don't lose money. That's why they have put span margin, that's why they have put exposure margin. They are trying to protect the common retailers. We are not FIAs, we are not DIAs, we don't have surplus fund. We are just trading with 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs. So you will have to identify which instruments or which organization or which government is supporting you. I can tell you, Indian government is making sure that retailers don't lose the money. That's why I am saying they have put in lot of span margin, exposure margin, intraday leverage. They have reduced drastically. You will not get the span margin or exposure margin which you got back in 2015. That is because they want to protect you as retailers. You go behind people like this who are trying to protect you, rather than don't go behind people who are promising you higher returns or giving you exaggerated, manipulated, inflated figures. So that is the reason I am posting this video. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Trade safe. This is your money. You will have to invest in cautious way and correct way, right? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.